Hey you all, I hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel. This is Anukriti here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all some very easy winter beauty maintenance tips or beauty care hacks. You can use all these tips for the whole year as well. They're very helpful for skin, hair and body. These tips are not just for girls, they are useful for boys as well. The first tip is to use a hair protection serum, especially in winters. Here I'm using the Minimalist Repair and Boost Serum. I apply this serum only on my scalp and then I massage it for 5 minutes. And mostly I use this serum at night time. This serum is really great for hair growth. And अगर आप लोग ड्राई वेदर के कारण हेयर लॉस या हेयर फॉल की प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं, उसके लिए भी ये सीरम बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. एंड गाइस, हियर आर सम बेस्ट हेयर products which I want to suggest you all. This Minimalist Repair Complex serum is best to repair damaged hair, and the Ordinary Peptide serum is best for hair density. My next tip is to shave once in every 15 days for smooth, clean and glowing skin. मैं यहाँ पे एक शेविंग क्रीम का यूज़ कर रही हूँ. I'll leave the link in my description box. Then I'm going to shave using a razor. It will not only make your skin smooth and glowing but also get rid of dead skin cells. This is a great way to exfoliate your skin as well. Next step is to instantly apply glycerin and rose water after you shave. This mixture is a natural moisturizer and glow boosting potion. It helps slow down your aging clock and gives you healthy and glowing skin. To add and lock that extra hydration, I always use coconut oil over glycerin and rose water mixture. My next tip is to use a body pack for smooth and polished skin. For that I'm using gram flour, milk and honey. Mix them well and it can also be used as a body scrub. So I massage this paste on my skin for like 5 minutes and then I leave it for 5 minutes. This is one of my favorite body pack as it will instantly make your skin smooth, glowing and soft, and it will also make your skin even tone. Now coming next to skincare tips, always use a mild and gentle cleanser in dry weathers. So here guys, I'm using simple micellar gel wash. This cleanser is best for all skin types, whether you have oily, dry or sensitive skin. Next tip is to use a natural face mask for dry weathers. यहाँ पे मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ बेसन, मलाई और थोड़ा सा नींबू का जूस. Mix them all well until you get a thick paste like this. Now I'm going to massage this paste on my face for like 1 to 2 minutes very gently in circular motion. ये paste एक exfoliator की तरह भी काम करता है and it works as a face mask as well. The main ingredient of this face mask is cream, जिसे हम मलाई भी कहते हैं. With regular use, your skin will look more supple, radiant and refreshed. My next tip is to never skip a face serum. Here I'm using vitamin C and niacinamide face serum. This serum is great to give you an instantly glowing skin, and with time it will also make your skin even toned and more supple and soft. And guys, this is my go-to serum and I use this in every season. This serum is super lightweight. It also reduces acne marks and dark spots, leaving your skin bright and radiant. My next tip is to always use a barrier repair cream after you use your serum. Here I am using Physio Gel Moisturizer. ये moisturizer बहुत अच्छा है अगर आप लोगों की skin बहुत ज़्यादा dry और sensitive हो जाती है winters में. It provides the needed hydration to your skin and also repairs your skin's moisture barrier, leaving your skin soft and glowing. Next tip is to never skip a sunscreen. I'm using Beauty of Joseon sunscreen. This is the best sunscreen I've ever had. It is super lightweight. Do not give a white cast to your skin. ये sunscreen मेरी skin में बहुत आसानी से absorb हो जाती है without making my skin oily or sticky. Next tip is to use a lip scrub once in a week. I'm using sugar and coconut oil lip scrub. This is the best lip scrub to make your lips smooth and soft. ये lip scrub use करने के बाद I'm applying almond oil on my lips. Almond oil is best to make your lips pink and even tone. To provide extra hydration, add Vaseline petroleum jelly on top of that. This petroleum jelly reduces lip pigmentation with regular use. My next tip is for hair care. Use a hair oil for strong and healthy hair once in a week. I'm using castor oil, argan oil, coconut oil and camphor. Camphor is the best ingredient, especially in winters. It will reduce hair fall and dandruff. It also prevents gray hair and fights scalp infection if you have any. I use this hair oil once in a week. I apply these hair oils only on my scalp and I massage it for 5 to 10 minutes for better blood circulation. My next tip is to use a natural hair mask twice in a month. Here I'm using curry leaves, curd and argan oil hair mask. I apply this hair mask only on my scalp and I massage it for 1 to 2 minutes. इस हेयर मास्क में जो मेन इंग्रेडिएंट है वो है करी लीव्स। इसके बालों के लिए बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं, लाइक इट प्रिवेंट प्रीमेच्योर ग्रेइंग, प्रिवेंट स्कैल्प एंड डैंड्रफ इशू एंड इट ऑल्सो स्टिमुलेट न्यू हेयर ग्रोथ. My next tip is to use a smoothing hair mask only on the ends to reduce hair damage and to make your hair soft. Keep this hair mask for like 20 to 30 minutes, then wash it off using a mild and gentle shampoo. And remember to wash your hair once in a week in dry weather using warm water. After using this hair mask, my hair really feels healthy and soft. My next tip is to use Borolene on cracked and dry heels to repair and make them soft. Next, use coconut oil all over your feet for soft and smooth skin. After that, use a Vaseline petroleum jelly to lock the hydration and moisture into your skin. Next, I'm going to wear socks to protect my feet. Wearing socks after you moisturize your feet will help you to keep your skin soft and smooth all night. So guys, these are some of the beauty maintenance hacks and tips which I'm following currently, and I hope you all find this video very useful this season. If you do like and share this video and also subscribe to my channel. Do comment what you all want to see in my next video. And that's all for today's video guys. और मैं आप लोगों को मिलूंगी मेरे next video में. Till then, be safe, be happy and healthy.